Well, thank you for watching this video. This video is brought to you by newqbo.com. That's our website. It's QBO blog. So if you want to check it out, newqbo.com. We have all kinds of great articles and video tutorials. So in this video, I'm gonna discuss how to add a Pay Now button to an invoice in QuickBooks Online. So you want to accept payments on invoice, how to get started. So that's all I'm going to talk about on this video. Okay, so I'm going to go to QuickBooks Online. So this is my trial QuickBooks Online. So whenever you want to invoice your customers, you can go from here, your dashboard, sales, invoices, and then just click new invoice and then go from there. Or you can also, there are a couple of other ways to do it. Basically, if you want to enter invoice manually, it's a plus sign in here. This is all to enter stuff manually. You'll see all kinds of forms in here. So is you under customers, create invoice, right here, create invoice. All right, okay, you'll see something like this, and then you will see online payments in here. Okay, so this doesn't mean that you have you can accept payment at this time. You got to have Intuit QuickBooks Payment Merchant Service. You need to have a merchant service. Just like accepting credit card, you need merchant service. So you need to apply for merchant service. Okay. So in case you don't see this online payments, so it has to do with your setup in here. So let's go to the gear icon in here, accountant settings, and then sales, and you will see online delivery in here. Just click that one, and you need to select online invoice in here to see those payments linked. So if you have set up like HTML, let's say, and you go to the invoice, now you don't see anything in here, right? So you need to make sure it's set up as online invoice from your sales settings. Okay, so online delivery is online delivery is online invoice. That's pretty simple. Okay, and then this click OK. So now what? You want to accept payments on invoice, but you don't have a merchant service. Okay, don't worry, just click this one in here, finish setup. You can click this finish setup like this, or you can directly go from gear settings, and accountant settings, and then you see payments. So this is where you will see your merchant ID and the account you selected. Click this one first. So on this one, online payments, is I said, learn more. So if you already have a merchant service, you will see all the details in here. You will select the bank account and where do you want to charge your merchant fee, and you will select all that in here. Okay, and they also give you a limit, credit limit. It's not like unlimited. They will give you limit. Say example, you can accept up to 5,000. You can accept up to 10,000, something like that. So they will give you a limit, credit limit. Okay, I'm going to click this, learn more. Okay, so it looks like this. They give you all the details in here. Okay, so this is the important one. Accept free bank transfers or credit cards. So you can accept ACH on the left here, and on the right you will see credit card. Okay, let's talk about ACH in here. This says bank transfer free. Your customer can always pay with ACH bank transfer for free. Okay, ACH is free, but you're wondering, well, how long it will take to see this money? Okay, how long it'll take to see this money in your bank account? All right, normally at this point it takes from 7 to 10 business days. 7 business days to 10 business days. That's what it takes. Okay, but it's free. Okay, if you take credit cards, so now we're talking about the invoicing in here. Pay now button. Accept payments and invoice. They charge you 2.9% plus 25 cents per transaction. Okay, but they don't charge a monthly fee. And then if you just for swipe, if you have terminal, you can swipe it, then it's 2.4 plus 25 cents. It's the most cheapest one. The other one is 2.9. It's 0.5 higher than per swipe, right? So this is like you have your terminal and you just swipe the card, and then you won't be sending invoice. They won't pay it. You pay now button. Okay, and the keyed in is basically you have some terminal and just type in a number. This is the highest one, 3.4. As you can see here, 2.4 per swipe and 3.4 is the expensive one. Okay, so this is the one you want per invoice. You know, this 2.9 plus 25 cents for invoices paid online. Okay, and then they will give you a limit. So if you want to charge more than $7,500 a month, then you have to call this number and deal with them. Okay, once you this set up, you know, normally it takes about also about 7 to 10 business days, maybe 2 weeks. So you have to keep in touch with them. You know, hey, what's happening to my merchant service? Okay. Then you click this one, and then it will ask you all the business information, all that stuff, and the routing number and all that stuff. You can fill that out, and then accept and submit, and just wait. They'll send you the email after that, or you can call them. That number, you have to have that number handy. Okay, this number handy, and call them. Okay, so once you have that, then you can send them, then you're ready to send invoice. Okay, I'm just going to select in here, let's just say this project in here, and let's say you want to accept credits both. Okay, you can select free bank transfer with ACS, and if you don't accept credit card, you can select that one. And if it, let's say I don't want to accept credit cards, I just want to accept ACS only, because the credit card costs a lot of money, although this one takes a long time. The credit card takes about I'll say 2 to 4 business days, depending on your bank account, bank type, but this one takes 7 to businesses at this point right now. Okay, so let's say you want to select, you accept only ACS, then what you need to do is little gear in here, you have to customize your form in here. Alright, so let's click in, let's see, let's click that one, and in here, see the payment in here. Alright, let's click that one and then select this one or that one. So you like this one. Okay, so you didn't select that one, like this one. You just want to select one, either one. So like this. Okay, so you don't want to accept ACS, you want to accept credit card only. You don't want to accept credit card, you want to accept this one only. And you just save this. Okay, as you can see here, but when you send it, then you will see it, or it takes a while. You have to refresh this log out and log in type. Okay, so let's say you want to say an invoice. You want to send an email to a customer. Okay, I'm just gonna create one invoice. Let's say it's a $500 invoice, and let's say you want to charge tax too on this one. Okay, so I'm ready to send. Save and send. Okay, so it's not selected it, but you have to do it manual like this one if it's not there. So normally once you change the setup, you will see online payments, either one in here, just one or both, if you're accepting both. Okay, so the invoice will go out something like this. Okay, right now I don't have anything. They're asking, you know, do you want to set up online and stuff? Okay, and on the customer end, you will see, see here, you will see the invoice something like this right here, like this, and then they will review and pay the invoice. So on this one, I don't have the merchant account set up yet, but they will pay this. You know, this is how it works. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. We have all kinds of free video tutorials. You can subscribe to our YouTube channels. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channels. We have two channels: youtube.com/VPController, youtube.com/QuickBooks QBO, the one you're watching right now. Thank you again. Have a great day. Bye.